The all-new Land Rover Defender updates a classic SUV with new comfort, tech, and capability. Is this now the ultimate luxury overlander? We have a complete look right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Land Rover, and then select Defender. We make it easy to find what you want fast. As the first major update in 70 years, the new Land Rover Defender has a lot to live up to. But just look at it. You can tell Land Rover has done their homework here, with a thoroughly modern update inside and out. Pricing for a base 110 SE starts at just over $62,000. The model we have here, with several option packs, brings the price to $72,780, including destination. Under the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 with a turbo, supercharger, and mild hybrid system. This produces up to 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic with a dual-range gearbox and Land Rover's advanced terrain response all-wheel drive system. EPA rates our test vehicle at 17 miles to the gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. The back door swings sideways for easy access, revealing a cargo area that features up to 36.2 cubic feet of cargo capacity with the seats up. Fold them down for up to 78.8 cubic feet of total capacity. The second row fits an adult quite easily, with lots of power options for mobile devices and a fold-down armrest with integrated cup holders. The front cabin continues the modern retro design language, with digital instrumentation and a design that vaguely recalls the lines of the original Defender. A 10-inch touchscreen integrates all entertainment, navigation, and vehicle setup options. The built-in navigation works quite well, with an on-screen keyboard or voice prompts. You can also plug in a mobile device via USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This screen is also where you can view cameras used for backing up or navigating tricky situations. Hit a button to configure the off-road system to optimize it for various terrain. Unlike the original Defender, which didn't even have airbags, the new model is loaded with advanced safety equipment, including emergency braking, blind spot and lane keep assist, rear traffic monitor, door exit monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Even on paved roads, driving the new Defender is quite nice. The long wheelbase of this 110 keeps it stable at any speed, and the air suspension keeps it balanced in the corners. Head off-road and the suspension races up 3 inches to help clear pretty much any obstacle. When equipped with proper tires, the Defender is pretty much unstoppable. If you want to take a vehicle to the end of the earth and back again, this is not only one of the most capable choices, it's also one of the most comfortable. If you're looking for the best go-anywhere, do-anything luxury vehicle, you can't beat the all-new Land Rover Defender 110. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see more options from Land Rover. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation-affiliated Land Rover dealer.